Okay, so in the next two lectures, we're going to look at brackets and cell references. And then after that, we will then start building formulas. Now, why are we looking at brackets and cell references before we start building formulas? Why don't we just jump straight in to just building them? Well, brackets, as we have seen earlier on, form a critical part of building a formula and are used to prioritize the order in which calculations happen. So it's critical you get a good understanding of this. Secondly, with cell references, these are again one of the fundamental building blocks for formulas. So as a beginner user, you need to understand the different types of cell references used in Microsoft Excel. Then after we've covered these two bits, brackets and cell references, we will then move on to formulas. So please do hang in there, and just remember that your understanding of formulas will be much greater once you get through this bit. So on to the next lecture.